Available now, this Lakeview home is located in Lindsford, a newer gated community in Fort Myers. This model, the Ashbury, is 2,432 square feet of living space, with 3,781 square feet of total area. This ground-level home offers 4 nice-sized bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and an open floor plan. Master suite has separate tub and shower, dual sinks, large walk-in closet and new carpet. New tile in 2 bedrooms. Soaring tray ceilings, open concept kitchen, stainless steel appliance package, eat-in kitchen or family dining, oversized laundry room and spacious closets throughout. Your own private pool in the backyard, plus community amenities too numerous to list them all, including resort-style pool, hot tub, fitness center with children's playroom, playground, tennis courts, bocce ball, basketball, nature trails, to name a few. Come see why this is one of the most highly desired communities in Fort Myers. This is a rare opportunity to own a Lakeview home with pool and many upgrades. Call today,